Hi, this is Kathy. You're going to love this video.
Out of the box, you should have the back handles, the back handles display hub, and the display controller cable. We will be using a 4mm Allen wrench in this video to install the back handles. Remove the back plate. Using the same bolts, install the back handles. Remove the ribbons from the back handles. Plug the ribbons into the display hub with the silver connectors facing out. Plug the display cable into the back of the display hub. Plug the blue end of the display cable into the machine. Snap the display hub onto the machine. Here is how to put the display on the back handles. Twist the cable 180 degrees. Thread the cable through the hinged part of the display. Plug the display cable into the display hub. Plug the plastic hinge into the back handles.
Thanks for watching.